haven't had this look before. Are these Marley twists? No, they're my hair, you know? And you know when your hair done, your skin clear up. Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back. It is me, Rachel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this bomb, cute and curly look that's perfect for the holidays. So before we get into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. And if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and share with everybody you know. What's up, y'all? Let's get into this style. This look is basically just 2-strand twists, and then I put perm rods on the ends of them so they could achieve this curly look. And boy, I was onto something because this is so cute. Like, it's giving lock bob, but like not quite, you know. And this look is perfect for the holidays. You have your curl in there, and I'm sure this is going to last. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Today has been so chaotic, I can't even. So this morning I was supposed to be going to my loctician to get a regular retwist, but I got hey-booed as soon as I woke up, and she unfortunately has canceled my appointment. So sucks, but I will always have a plan B, right? So I'm just gonna do my hair myself. This is the week of Christmas and I just want to look put together. So I decided to 2-strand twist my hair after debating what I was going to do with my hair. I initially was going to flexi rod it because I want some spiral curls really bad, but I started to do it, and then like I feel like I don't have enough flexi rods. Like, I kind of need to go to the beauty supply store to get more, and I don't really have time to do that right now. And then I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna do a braid out. And I started like retwisting my hair, and then I tried putting it in braids, and my retwists keep coming undone when I'm doing the braids. So like, I honestly don't know how to do much with my hair outside of 2-strand twists, and I don't feel like sitting here doing my hair all day, so I just decided I'm gonna do a 2-strand twist. Before we start, I just washed my hair. It's freshly washed. I shampooed it like 3 or 4 times. I used the Maui Moisture hair care shampoo and conditioner, and then I used the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle shampoo. Got my hair really clean, and look at it. Let's give it up for hair growth. Let's give it up for this length check, because what? Don't let me find out my hair is mid back length. Like, what? Come on now. What? Like, in 3 years my hair is gonna be to my waist. Y'all are gonna be sick of me. Like, y'all are gonna be sick of me.
Your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. All of your love. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Giving and take, the love that we make, it's my favorite job.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. So I finished. I hope that this comes out cute when I take the rollers out. I actually just ordered a like hooded bonnet like attachment so I could dry my hair. I actually just bought it on Amazon. Oop. I just bought it on Amazon earlier today, and I did 1 day shipping. Not even 1 day shipping. I did like instant same day shipping, and so it's supposed to be coming in an hour. Hopefully I can catch the Amazon driver when they get here, because my leasing office is closed. So I'm gonna sit under that, get this really dry. It took me, what time is it? Oh, it took me a long time. It took me like near 5 hours. But we're done. I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip. Good morning, party people. It's the next day. I've kept my rollers in for longer than 12 hours. It's been a little minute. And I dried them with this hooded dryer I got from Amazon. Let me get it for you guys, because I think this bonnet attachment for your blow dryer is like a game changer. This bonnet that you put on top of your head, and then it's this long tail attachment, and you attach this to your blow dryer, and it kind of acts like it's a hooded dryer, but it's like mobile. Like, my back was literally hurting so bad last night. I was just laying down and I had the cap over my head and my hair was drying. I hope these curls come out cute, because this is looking cute right now. Like, even though it was a lot yesterday, this is looking cute. So let's hope that these spirals are what I anticipated them to be like. We're on to something. We're on to something. Curls for the girls. Y'all better stop. This is too cute. What? I actually think, like, in order to achieve this style, that a dryer is required. Like, I don't know if these results would look the same if it was just air dried. Like, I honestly don't think it would be, because it's something about like a dryer and that heat that just sets curls, you know. And unless you have your curls in for like 5 days, I feel like that dryer just achieve a different like level of set, you know.
Maybe a break, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is like I haven't had this look before. It's kind of giving lock bob, but not quite. Like, and it's kind of giving flexi rod set, but like not quite. I like it. It's cute. I am a little shocked that it came out short like this. I mean, I really like it like this, but I thought that because I did the 2 strand twist, like, it would have had a little bit more length to it, but I don't mind at all because it's gonna drop in a few days and it's so cute. Okay, I'm like really happy because yesterday was a lot. Like, I was actually very sad that my hair appointment was canceled, and like I was actually very sad that I had to do this, but like I'm very happy now and I got a lot of content out of this style. So I feel like these are gonna fall like quickly though. I feel like locks, just like, you achieve this like natural beautiful look like with locks, and it's like a look you can't really describe. It's like a natural beauty that you just get when you achieve lock, like when you do lock styles. It's like so cute. It's like, are these Marley twists? No, they're my hair, you know. Let me show you guys the back. Okay. And you know, when your hair done, your skin clear up. I oiled my scalp last night before I went under the dryer, so it's already got some oil in it, but I'm gonna just do it again, just to make it smell good. Gonna go on with my Flourish tonic. Okay, we've oiled her up. Let's make sure my edges are a little slick, just to give me a sleek finish look. Gonna use some Style Factor, just a tad bit on these edges right here. And there we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you all would like to see. I will see you all in the next video.